Want to master Spanish numbers? Today we're learning numbers from 1 to 100 in Spanish. By the end of this video, you'll be able to count, tell prices, and give phone numbers. Let's start. First, let's learn 1 to 10. These are the foundation. Number 1 is uno. I have one book. Tengo un libro. Tengo un libro. Number 2 is dos. Very simple. I need 2 tickets. Necesito dos boletos. Necesito dos boletos. Number 3 is tres. There are 3 people. Hay 3 personas. Hay 3 personas. Number 4 is cuatro. I want 4 apples. Quiero 4 manzanas. Quiero 4 manzanas. Number 5 is cinco. Remember the pronunciation. $5, please. $5, por favor. $5, por favor. Number 6 is seis. Sounds like seis. I have 6 cats. Tengo 6 gatos. Tengo 6 gatos. Number 7 is siete. Don't confuse with 6. 7 days a week. 7 días a la semana. 7 días a la semana. Number 8 is ocho. It's 8 o'clock. Son las 8. Son las 8. Number 9 is nueve. 9 students in class. 9 estudiantes en clase. 9 estudiantes en clase. Number 10 is diez. You made it to 10. I need 10 minutes. Necesito 10 minutos. Necesito 10 minutos. Now, 11 to 15. 11 is once. Notice it's different from 1. 11 people are here. 11 personas están aquí. 11 personas están aquí. 12 is doce. 12 months in a year. 12 meses en un año. 12 meses en un año. 13 is trece. Unlucky number in some cultures. 13 euros, please. 13 euros, por favor. 13 euros, por favor. 14 is catorce. I'm 14 years old. Tengo 14 años. Tengo 14 años. 15 is quince. Very common number. 15 minutes left. Quedan 15 minutos. Quedan 15 minutos. Now the tens. 20 is veinte. Important base number. $20. $20. $20. 30 is treinta. 30 days. 30 días. 30 días. 40 is cuarenta. 40 kilometers. 40 kilómetros. 40 kilómetros. 50 is cincuenta. 50% off. 50% de descuento. 50% de descuento. 100 is cien. Round and perfect. 100 euros. 100 euros. 100 euros. There you have it, Spanish numbers from 1 to 100. Practice counting every day, and these will become automatic. Which numbers will you practice first? Comment below. Subscribe for more practical Spanish.